have to edit this out. I look like a little girl.
Oh, this is going to be my edit.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I have a special surprise for you. Some of you guys might be familiar with the channel MotoGEO. And if you are, you're familiar with Jamie Robinson. And if you're not, don't worry, because that's who we're going to meet today. Love this tunnel. What I don't like about it is when a cop sits behind it, wait for speeders to go through it. MotoGEO's been around for a long time, like 2008 long time. If you guys are interested in some high quality motorcycle videos, this is the dude for you. I'm gonna let his teaser reel tell a story for you, man, and I'll play that for you right now. Some good stuff, right? And that's why I'm excited to introduce you to him. Unfortunately, he lives nearly 2 hours for me, so it's going to be a long day for me. But Jamie's a good dude. I've known him for years, and I know it's going to be a fun day. And with that, sit back, stick around, because I got a whole lot of freeway to cover. Piss off, Prius. Excuse me, Bentley? I don't know. These things, buy a convertible at that point. I bet if I drove one of those things, or rode it, whatever you do, I bet I'd enjoy it, but I think it looks pretty silly. Oh, hell yeah. This is one of the cooler Porsches I've ever seen. Good job, dude. Right on. That was a tight fit. Riding like this, not that fun. I mean, it's fun for like 5 minutes, but if you gotta do this for like 20 minutes, it really wears you out. It's like you're so tense. I'm really tense right now. I'm nervous. Any moment, one of these cars can just change lanes immediately. Whoa, see that? Alright, I'm gonna try not to talk so much so I can concentrate. Come on, Prius. Prius. Jeez. Beautiful day for PCH, that's for sure. Look at all these houses, man. Millions, many millions of dollars. Oh, look at this. 2 tiniest cars on the planet. Come on. 2 Bentleys in a row. Oh, Ducati 748. That's a nice bike. Sick. Alright, so we're getting pretty close to my friend's house, and I don't want to take you right to his doorstep. Not that I don't trust you and all, but come on, let's face it, there's a lot of weirdos out there, right? Right. So I'm going to teleport to after we pick him up and we're riding, and I'll see you then. Teleport. Jamie, my buddy, dude.
Hey, dude.
It's been so long.
I know, my friend.
You know, if you didn't live 2 hours from me, you know, we could do this all the time. So what a place to teleport to. Honestly, we got the ocean, we got the blue skies. I'm excited for what you have in store for me today. I have no idea where I'm at. I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know what we're going to eat. We have to eat, though.
I haven't seen you in a while. I want to take you on one of my favourite roads, and then we'll go down PCH. PCH is just full of
traffic.
A lot of traffic.
Do you know where we're going to eat?
Yeah, it's iconic.
Oh, it's a surprise.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, all right.
I'm sure you'll start to recognize stuff because it's been in loads of movies. Full machine, I love this.
Oh my God.
Around the world.
I can't even believe that it's still running.
Oh wow, look at that.
I'm about to turn over like 70,000 miles on it.
No way.
And it's all just beat the shit miles. So I've seen this thing everywhere.
Yeah.
This has been all over the world.
It has.
It really has.
This is a Ducati that really has been ridden.
You know, Ducati must really take care of you.
No, not really.
I'm terrified. This guy is so fast. Oh, gosh. This road is awesome. Whoa. This is a crazy road. How fun is this? Not a whole lot lot of room for error on this road. What stop sign? Look at this road. Oh my God, I love this road. You know who showed Jamie this road? Max Biaggi. True story. That was an awesome road, man. That was good.
That's one of my favorites. First time I came down there, I came down on the back of Max Biaggi on a scooter.
Oh, you were on the back of his bike?
I was filming and I didn't wave, and he scared the living daylights out of me coming down.
Honestly, one of the last times I've ever been on the back of a motorcycle was on the back of your bike, and you had me crying like a little girl. Seriously, I'll never forget it. So apparently the place we're gonna eat at is on this road. There's not a whole lot of restaurants that I can think of that are up here that are like iconic restaurants. I really don't know where he's gonna take us to eat. Look at that bike, man. That bike's cool. Wherever we go to eat, I hope they have a bathroom because I gotta piss. Nice car, buddy. Oh, hell.
Look at that. Cool, huh?
Could you imagine?
Yeah. It's nice to imagine. Fantasy is what keeps us going, right?
It's true.
Right, let's go eat.
Look at this view. It's amazing. It's amazing. I have a feeling I know where we're gonna eat. I think he's taking us to Neptune's Net. The place has been featured in a million movies, and it's super iconic. Right? He said the place was iconic, and I can't think of any other place that's iconic off PCH in Malibu. Of course, he didn't really say we were going to Malibu to eat. Oh, man. I don't know. Still gotta pee. Out of my way, Prius. I've hit the bottom again. Can someone lend a helping hand? I'm at the bottom. I've hit the bottom again. I knew it. Neptune's Net.
Did you guess it?
I had an idea.
Yeah.
All right, Neptune's Net, man.
Yeah.
Fast and the Furious, Point Break. What else?
I don't know. A bunch of. Morning, guys.
What's up, man?
2 hours for each.
You have to pay for parking here? Neptune's Net.
It was fun, huh?
It was good too.
Knucklehead burger, dude. That thing was insane.
Dude, I can't believe you finished that. Seriously, that was
I
huge.
didn't finish it all because I left the tomato. There's a lot of cops hanging out here, so why don't we just head up into the canyon?
Jamie's gonna take me to a spot. I think he called it the Devil's Chair or God's Chair or something like that. I think he said back in the days, like the 60s, the Hells Angels hung out there. So, kind of excited to see what this place is about.
That road that was right away, that must have been the road. I usually take a different road, so I messed up.
Not a bad view from here.
Oh, look at this.
Like we're in another country right now.
Oh, isn't it amazing? I love coming up here because it's just the escape is incredible. For me, this is making the music on your bike. Coming up here is what I love.
This road sucks. It's fun, but it's bumpy. no, Jamie. What if there's an earthquake? Jamie, I can't do it. Look at the airplanes. How am I going to get down?
This way. This way's easy down. Keep going up. Don't look down.
I can't not look down. I'm not going up there, man. That's crazy.
It's so easy. Let me show you.
I'm going to be on the 5 o'clock news, man.
Look, I'm just walking.
Oh, don't do that.
You just walk up here.
I don't think I knew I was afraid of heights until just now. Oh my God, don't do that.
What's wrong with you?
I'm scared for you. Oh, what have I done?
I can't believe you're so scared of heights. Belly, do on your belly. That's it, come on. Oh, he doesn't really calm.
All right.
And then here, you gotta...
Oh my God, I'm in front of a condom. There's a condom right there. I'm not standing up. Oh my God, you're making me so nervous. Oh my God, please sit down.
Oh dear, I can't believe how nervous you are.
Oh my God, look at you. Oh, don't do that. I can't, you're stressing me out, man. I'm gonna have to edit this out. I look like a little girl.
Oh, this is gonna be my edit.
And with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Make sure you check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Also, check out Jamie's channel, MotoGEO, if you haven't already yet. Links in the description of the video. Make sure you support the channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, Law Offices of Henry Haddad, and Voss Helmets. Get that signature Delinquent edition. And the Patreons, dude, you guys all make it worth it, dude. Really appreciate each and every one of you. Good time as always hanging out with MotoGEO. You know, we definitely got to do it again. And again, I can't thank you enough for having me out and showing me these beautiful roads.
Amazing.
And I'll catch you guys next time.
Thank you, buddy. Nice one.